Once you have opened the app, access the sidebar menu by clicking the 3 horizontal lines icon in the upper left corner. Tap on Sign In at the top of the menu. On the Sign In page, you have 2 options for sign up. Option 1. Sign in with your Google account. Press the Sign In with Google button at the bottom of the screen and select the desired Google account. Option 2. Create an account using your email address. Tap on No Account, Create One, then enter your email address and choose a secure password. Note that your password must be a minimum of 8 characters long and include at least 1 digit, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 special symbol. After pressing the Sign Up button, a verification email will be sent to your email address. And that's it. You have just created your TabTrader account. All your data will be synchronized with your profile and will be right there when you need it.